Planning a new fence? Before you build, you need to choose the right materials. Each one has different strengths. Some are low maintenance, others are more affordable, and some shine in bad weather. Let's break them down and explore how mixing materials can give you the best of everything. Wood fences are warm, natural, and easily customizable. You can paint, stain, cut them to any height, and add decorative tops. They're affordable up front, but need ongoing maintenance. They don't handle heavy moisture or termites well, so they're better for dry or temperate climates. Vinyl fences are practically worry-free. They resist rot, moisture, and don't need painting. They're great for wet or humid areas, and easy to clean with just soap and water. However, they can warp or discolor over time, especially cheaper brands. They cost more up front, but you'll likely never need to repair or refinish them. Metal fences are strong and secure. Aluminum is lightweight and rust-proof, making it ideal for coastal or rainy areas. Steel and wrought iron are heavier and more secure, but they may rust if not treated. They're excellent in fire-prone zones, but offer little privacy unless paired with panels or plants. Chain link fencing is cost-effective, durable, and fast to install. It's perfect for pets, security, or enclosing large areas on a budget. However, it lacks privacy and style. Adding slats or vines can help improve appearance. It performs well in all climates, including areas with heavy rain, and it's very low maintenance. Here's where smart design comes in. Mixing materials. Use wood or vinyl in front for privacy and curb appeal, and chain link on the sides or back to cut costs. Pair metal frames with wood or composite panels for a modern and durable fence. For a pet-friendly yard, use chain link below and add privacy panels on top. Still unsure which fence combo works for your yard, weather, or budget? Visit kaonfenceinc.com or call us at 781-767-3596. We'll help you build a fence that's smart, stylish, and built to last.